Welcome to WordPress Quick Fixes from WP-Tutoring. 4 free form plugins dominate WordPress. Here's an honest comparison and a clear pick in a few minutes. First, the yardstick. 4 jobs any form plugin must do without asking for your credit card. Build a decent contact form without touching code. Reliably email you every submission. Block spam without punishing real visitors. And store entries in your dashboard, so a lost email never means a lost lead. The 2 names you've already heard of. Contact Form 7 is the free forever classic, tiny and reliable, but you edit markup style tags instead of dragging fields. WP Forms Lite has the slickest builder, but its free tier is stingy, holding back entry storage and most field types. And that's the pattern to watch. The builder matters less than what the free version withholds. Now the 2 that give you a real builder for free. Ninja Forms gives you a friendly builder and saved entries free, selling its power features as add-ons. Fluent Forms is the generous one. Drag and drop, saved entries, conditional logic, and spam protection, all free. Conditional logic free is the headline. Fields that appear only when relevant is a paid feature almost everywhere else. Quick check before the verdict. Fluent Forms. Conditional logic ships free, where the others charge for it. Here's what we tell our own students. For most sites, Fluent Forms, it's the most complete free tier by a clear distance. If you want one simple contact form and the smallest footprint, Contact Form 7 still earns its millions of installs. Whichever you pick, a form is useless if WordPress can't send email, so set up SMTP first. We have a free video on that. The whole decision, 2 lines. Fluent Forms Free acts like everyone else's paid version. Contact Form 7, for one bulletproof, no-frills form. We have complete hands-on courses on all 4 of these plugins in the full WordPress training. The address is on screen and the link is in the description.